Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CANB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis many times in the past. It's been a while though, and that's where this green line here is coming from, one of the older annotations. But just to give a little bit more perspective, the bulls have returned. They returned a little bit more today. What do I mean by return more today? You look down here at the volume, and definitely the biggest volume this chart has had in a while, so well above average volume. So more so eyeballs on this one now. So let's get some levels of support mapped out, and then we'll talk resistance levels. First level of support, I'm just going to use this green line here, is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up there above 0.095. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 0.095, I'm not saying the entire chart's broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that area, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be the bottom portion of this consolidation area right here at 0.085. So that makes it easy. 0.095, 0.085, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the bigger picture perspective. So this definitely assumes you have more of a broader time horizon. But that's where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 0.095, that would be great. But from the big picture of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing fancy here other than the fact that right up there at 10.5 cents is essentially where the party stopped today. So 10.5 cents will be that initial area of resistance going into tomorrow. All in all, though, just keep on chipping away, building those higher bases, and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.